Can I tell you a secret? The AI gold rush isn't coming. It's already here. And while most people are still Googling what is AI, companies are using vertical AI agents to replace entire teams, sometimes overnight. Some of us are already cashing in, but most, they're sleeping on the biggest opportunity since the internet. And I don't want that to be you. Imagine looking back a year from now thinking, why didn't I jump on this sooner? AI models are dropping like mixtapes, faster, smarter, and making last month's tech look ancient. So today, I'm revealing a few massive ways to make money during this new AI revolution, even if you're starting from scratch. I'll show you how to take advantage of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, give you a proven process to find clients and get paid, and even break down the top AI niches to target this year. No filler, just actionable stuff you can use today. So let's get started with step 1. Pick your niche. I know, niching down sounds like you're limiting yourself. You might be thinking, why narrow my options when I could help everyone? Trust me, I get it. The idea of closing doors to potential clients feels counterintuitive, especially if you're just getting started. But here's the truth. When you try to appeal to everyone, you end up appealing to no one. Going broad with your targeting forces you to water down your message in order to attract as many people as possible. And when that happens, you come off as bland and boring and completely ignorable. I should know. When I first started, I made this exact mistake. I chased every opportunity that crossed my path. Fitness coaches? Sure. Real estate agents? Why not? Local restaurants needing websites? Let's do it. I was saying yes to everyone and burning out faster than a cheap candle. My messaging was scattered, my offers were confusing, and prospects weren't sure if I was the right fit for them. Honestly, I was so all over the place at the time that I don't know if I was the right fit for anybody. Things only clicked when I finally decided to listen to people smarter than me, and I took their advice and focused on just one industry. Suddenly, I wasn't just some person who provides all kinds of random solutions. Instead, I became the go-to person for businesses in that space. Clients started coming to me, referrals rolled in. Why? Because when you speak directly to a specific audience, your message resonates louder and clearer. In other words, choosing a niche gives you a massive competitive edge. Because when you're focused on a single group or a single type of person, you speak their language. When you get to know an industry inside and out, you understand its challenges and its lingo and its goals. Instead of saying, I can help you with AI, you say, I help e-commerce brands recover abandoned carts and increase sales by 20%. Remember this, specificity sells. Choosing a niche also enables you to build authority faster. Think about this in your own life. Would you rather hire a general handyman for a plumbing issue or a specialist plumber? What about if you needed a certain kind of very specialized brain surgery? Would you rather have a specialist brain surgeon or your family doctor? Clients think the exact same way. Plus, referrals become easier. When you're known as the AI person for real estate agents or the go-to for healthcare automation, people in that industry start sending opportunities your way. But wait, it gets even better, because when you niche down, your marketing gets simpler as well. No more wondering what to post or how to pitch. You know exactly who you're talking to and what problems you're solving. Bottom line, focus is faster. Specializing doesn't close doors, it opens the right ones. So, next question then. Which niches are actually hot for AI right now? Well, AI is booming across the board, but some industries in particular are begging for solutions at a much higher rate. So if you want the best shot at landing clients quickly, start with these top niches. Number 1, healthcare. Massive demand, generous budgets, tons of inefficiencies. Imagine creating an AI agent that books patient appointments automatically, sends text and email reminders, and handles billing inquiries without human involvement. With regulations tightening and patient loads growing, clinics and hospitals are actively looking for ways to save time. Start with smaller practices. They tend to make decisions faster and are often more open to trying new tech. Number 2, e-commerce. E-commerce businesses live and die by customer experience. AI chatbots answer questions 24/7. Personalized product recommendations increase average order value. Automated emails recover abandoned carts and turn lost sales into revenue. Online stores are hungry for solutions that increase sales without ballooning their payroll. Want to offer them a quick win? Offer to set up an AI chatbot that handles common customer questions. Number 3, real estate. Realtors are stretched thin. AI can handle lead pre-qualification, schedule showings, and answer listing questions instantly. Real estate deals are high ticket, so even a small efficiency gain is worth a lot. Here's a tip. Offer a free audit of their lead process to highlight where AI could save them time. Number 4, marketing and content creation. Content is king, but speed is queen. AI can translate content into multiple languages, repurpose podcasts into blog posts and social clips, and generate personalized ad copy that actually converts. Marketers want high-quality content, and they want it fast. If you can help them churn it out, they'll love you for it. Looking for a way to get started fast? Well, take one piece of their content and show how AI can turn it into 5 different assets. Number 5, finance. Numbers tell stories, if you know how to read them. AI can analyze transaction patterns to prevent fraud, it can predict future expenses, and it can calculate customer lifetime value. Businesses are always looking to improve their bottom line, so show them how AI can help, and doors will open. Here's an idea for you. Build a simple dashboard that visualizes a company's financial data, then upsell them into more advanced features later. Now those are all good options, but I appreciate those are still 5 different niches to choose from. So next, let's go over how to pick the perfect niche for you right now. First, start with your skills. Do you have a background in healthcare, know people in real estate, or are passionate about music, fitness, or photography? Well, leverage what you already know. Next, follow your passion. Working in a niche that you actually care about keeps you motivated, especially when challenges arise. And they will. After that, research demand. Hop on LinkedIn or Reddit or different industry forums and see which industries are buzzing about AI. Then, test the waters. Pick 2 niches, reach out to a few prospects in each, and see where you get the most traction. You're not married to your first choice, so start somewhere, anywhere. Gain some momentum, and pivot later if needed. Action beats overthinking every time. Okay, have you picked a niche, or at least have a general idea of where you might want to start? Good, because next, you'll need a way to actually deliver value to that niche, and that's where AI agents come in. If AI tools like ChatGPT are the brains, then AI agents are the body. They don't just think, they act. Picture a digital employee who never calls in sick, never asks for a vacation, and works 24/7 without coffee breaks. AI agents really are like having an always-on assistant who handles tasks quietly in the background while you and your clients focus on the bigger picture. And the best part? You don't need coding experience to create one. Thanks to user-friendly platforms like crewai.com, building AI agents is now as simple as filling out a form, setting some rules, and letting the technology do the heavy lifting. Alternatively, you could just do what I do, which is to use white label AI agents that are already built. How white label AI agents work is that you take a pre-built AI tool, you customize it with your own branding, you set your own price, and then you resell it as often as you like. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for AI-powered automation, for marketing, and for customer service solutions that save them time and generate revenue. And no, it's not stealing. The white label AI model is built for you to rebrand and resell. The developers create the AI tech and you handle customer acquisition. It's a win-win, but more on this later. Because before you dive into tools and tech, let's focus on what really matters: delivering value. Businesses do not care about how fancy your AI agent is. They only care about results. They want to save time, make money, and reduce headaches. That's it. So what exactly is an AI agent anyway? Well, an AI agent is a software-powered tool designed to perform specific tasks automatically. And unlike traditional software that waits for human commands, AI agents can handle repetitive tasks like scheduling and data entry, qualifying leads and initiating follow-ups. They can respond to customer inquiries, and they can do this all instantly. Oh, not to mention analyzing data and offering actionable insights. Think of AI agents as virtual team members that keep things running smoothly without needing supervision. And here's why AI agents are your fast track to high-paying clients. Businesses are overwhelmed with manual processes. Emails pile up, leads slip through the cracks, customers get frustrated with slow responses. It's a jungle out there. Enter AI agents, the solution companies didn't realize they desperately needed. And here's why clients love them. First, cost savings. Hiring, training, and retaining staff is expensive. AI agents handle repetitive tasks for a fraction of the cost. Next, speed. AI agents respond instantly. They process data in seconds and handle tasks that humans need hours, sometimes even days for. Then there's consistency. AI doesn't forget. It doesn't get tired. It delivers the same level of service every single time. And of course, scalability. As businesses grow, their workload increases. AI agents scale effortlessly without adding overhead. Your takeaway here? When pitching AI agents to potential clients, don't focus on the tech. Focus on the outcomes like time saved, costs reduced, and profits increased. Okay, so now that you know what niches are hungry for AI solutions, you have at least a general idea of what AI agents do and how they work. Well, the next question then is, what are the most in-demand AI agents right now? And how can you use them to help clients? So to answer that, here's my list of the most in-demand AI agents, and after I show you this list, I'll share with you the exact software that I use to offer these AI services without having to build anything myself. so you can do the same thing. Number 1, scheduling and appointment agents. Missed appointments, double bookings, and endless back and forth emails waste time and money. An AI scheduling agent automatically books appointments, it sends reminders, and it reschedules when conflicts arise without human involvement. Clients love this because there are fewer no-shows, there's happier customers, and there's less time wasted managing calendars. Here's a quick tip. Offer a free audit. Ask potential clients how many appointments they miss per month, and then show them how AI can fix that problem. Number 2, sales and lead qualification agents. Sales teams waste countless hours chasing bad leads. An AI agent can filter leads, prioritize high potential prospects, and initiate follow-ups, so salespeople spend more time closing deals, not chasing dead ends. Clients love this because it leads to higher conversion rates, more revenue, and less wasted effort. Here's a simple pitch that you can use. How much revenue could you gain if your sales team spent more time talking to buyers instead of chasing cold leads? Number 3, customer support agents. Slow customer support frustrates customers and damages brands. An AI chatbot can answer FAQs, can process returns, and can resolve common issues instantly, providing 24/7 support without additional hiring costs. Clients love this because it leads to faster responses and happier customers and way fewer support tickets. Here's a quick tip. Offer to review a client's current support processes and then highlight how faster responses can increase customer retention. And of course, how to do this with AI. Number 4, data analysis and visualization agents. Data is only useful if it's understood. Many companies drown in spreadsheets but struggle to make sense of the numbers. AI agents can analyze data and present it through clear dashboards and reports, helping businesses make smarter decisions faster. Bit of a side note here, but making data-backed strategic marketing decisions has been probably the single biggest factor behind my ability to generate over $1 billion for my clients. You can ask potential clients, are you tracking key metrics? How confident are you in understanding those numbers quickly? And are you able to use that to make strategic marketing decisions moving forward? If they hesitate, they need your help. Number 5, AI website builders. This one is my personal favorite. Building websites used to take weeks, but with AI tools, you can now deliver polished, functional websites in hours, sometimes minutes. It's no secret that businesses need an online presence, but many delay it due to cost or complexity. So you can offer a quick, affordable solution, and when you do that, you become an easy choice. I'll tell you where to get the exact step-by-step instructions to help make this happen at the end of this video, but for now, a nice easy way to create sustainable recurring revenue is to first build a basic site fast, then upsell SEO services, then add an AI chatbot for instant customer engagement, and finally, offer monthly maintenance for recurring income. Now, the secret I've found to being able to offer all of these AI services and more without having to build or code or create a single thing myself is a simple software called High Level. Now, this video is not sponsored, but I will put a link in the descriptions below that'll get you access to an extended free 30-day trial to High Level. It's an all-in-one marketing software that I use where everything you need to get going is already pre-built and ready to go, including fully set up websites and automated client attracting funnels and plug-and-play templates, and all packaged into a complete ready-to-launch agency system. With the extended free trial, you can start landing clients and start generating revenue before spending a single penny. And to make sure you hit the ground running, you'll also get a one-on-one kickoff call, 24/7 support from high-level experts, access to a private members-only community, and daily live coaching sessions, as well as instant access to my proven templates and sales funnels and scripts and processes. So, that takes care of the service delivery part, which means the next thing we need to cover is how to pitch AI agents to clients without scaring them off or overwhelming them. So let's do that now. When talking to potential clients, the single best and most important piece of advice I can give you is to keep it simple. Focus on the problem they're facing. Show how an AI agent can solve it quickly and affordably, and highlight the results like time saved, costs reduced, and revenue increased. Here's a simple pitch framework you can use, offering some of High Level's ready-to-use AI agents. Imagine if you could answer every call, qualify leads, and book appointments without lifting a finger. That's what voice AI can do for you. Or imagine if you could generate more 5-star reviews and respond to feedback instantly without manual effort. That's what Review AI can do for you. Quick tip here, always make sure to speak in outcomes, not tech jargon. Clients don't care about machine learning models. They care about how it benefits them. Okay, next I'll show you how to find clients who aren't just interested, but eager to pay you for these solutions. So let's get you paid. Look, AI tools are fun and pretty cool too, but getting paid for them? That's where things get real. Imagine landing your first client and seeing that payment hit your account. Trust me, nothing beats that feeling. So, how do you do it? Especially if you're starting from scratch. Well, the good news is you don't need an established audience or years of experience to land your first paying client. Here are 4 effective ways to get started today. Number 1, target startups that just raised funding. Companies that just secured funding are actively looking for ways to scale. They've got money to invest and problems that they need to have solved. You can find them using platforms like Crunchbase and AngelList in order to track startups that recently raised funding and focus on companies and industries related to your AI solution. Here's a sample email or DM that you can send. Hey, name. I saw your company recently raised funding. Congratulations. I help businesses like yours scale faster using AI solutions that save time and increase revenue. Would you be open to a quick chat to explore how I can help you hit your growth targets? Obviously, you're going to want to edit this and make sure that it's specific and relevant to the company you're reaching out to. This approach works because startups expect to hear from service providers after raising funds. Plus, you're offering them real value instead of just congratulating them. Number 2, use job boards, but flip the script. Companies post job listings when they're overwhelmed with work. Roles like marketing assistant or customer support rep often signal tasks that AI could automate. You can look for these on LinkedIn Jobs, Upwork, Indeed, or We Work Remotely. Find job posts where an AI solution could replace or assist in the role, and then reach out to the hiring manager directly, not just through the job platform. Here's a sample outreach that you could send. Hey, name. I saw you're hiring a role. What if you could have an AI agent handle those tasks 24/7 without increasing your payroll? I've helped similar companies automate relevant tasks, saving them hours each week. Would love to chat. This works because instead of competing with job applicants, you position yourself as a cost-saving alternative. Number 3, leverage your network. And yes, you've got one. Even if you think you don't have connections, you do. Friends, family, former colleagues, social media contacts, they all count. You can tap into your network by posting a simple update on LinkedIn or Facebook or Instagram. Something like, building AI agents that save businesses hours every week. Curious how it works? Let's chat. You could also reach out to past colleagues or employers, and you can even mention your work in casual conversations. You never know who might need it. This works because people are more likely to hire or refer someone they know, and warm leads convert faster than cold outreach. Number 4, offer pay if you love it deals for quick wins. If you're still struggling to land that first client, then reduce their risk by offering a results-based payment model. Try pitching it like this. I get it. Trying something new can feel risky, so how about this? I'll build you an AI solution tailored to your business. If it doesn't save you time or increase revenue, you don't pay. Sound fair? This works because clients love low-risk offers, and once they see the results, they'll gladly continue working with you. And if you're looking for a hands-free way to generate an extra $5K to $10K per month with AI, you won't want to miss the video that I've got linked up right here. In it, I'll show you a simple AI website builder that does the work for you, plus how to set it up and start earning fast. So feel free to tap or click that now, and I'll see you in there in just a second.